Hi, Dave Coble at MarineMax Lake Ozarks. We're standing aboard a 2017 400 Sundancer that we have left that we really, we just love these boats. We happen to have this one, available at a discounted price. So if you're interested, let us know. We'd love to show it to you. Starting out back here in the back, you can see it's got the hydraulic platform with the spots for the saddles where you can accommodate a small jet ski or something like that. We also have these steps. Now this is kind of a fairly new feature. These steps, you can pull the pins and it'll go down as a flat surface, or you leave those pins in. This actually transitions into a beautiful set of steps that you can walk right off of the boat and step down onto the deal, or just straight into the water. It's a really cool feature, very user-friendly. I got nice fender storage back here in the back, a Glendenny to help you roll your cord in and out. We've got the extendable sunshade on the back of this boat. It extends out quite a little ways here to afford plenty of shade on those really hot, sweltering days where you just don't want to be into direct sunlight. Stepping inside now into the back here. You'll notice we've got a spot for a couple of coolers. You always got to have a space for your refreshments. Nice little seating area here, and you'll notice I've got the doors slid over. Now this helps to transition this into a single social area. So when somebody's sitting here, or obviously sitting right here, you can still be in the group when you're hanging out, coved out here. Now this does slide shut, and it has a single entry door as well, the way it's set up. Got a nice entertainment system in here. You get, and the beauty about this style is that if it starts to rain, you roll the sunshade shut here, the skylight, you roll it shut your windows on the side, shut the back door, you have the AC or the heat running, you can watch a movie until it gets nice again. And here in Missouri, if you don't like the weather, just wait an hour. It's going to change. Got it really nice. They brought the galley upstairs in this boat. And the thought process is that you've got a social area, and who wants to run downstairs for drinks or sandwiches or whatever it may be? It's all right here, and you can accommodate everybody on your boat without having to leave the area if you'd like to stay together. Stepping up here to the helm, we got a Ray Marine up here, really nice system set up. And one thing that is a little bit different about this boat, we've got the Cummins integrated joystick. So it is a joystick that works with V-drives and accommodates a bow thruster. So the usability of this boat, first off, your maintenance is a little bit less with that V-drives, and using this bow thruster, you can put it anywhere easily with just very little instruction. It's really, really nice to use. Coming downstairs here, you'll notice we've got a very attractive forward berth, and then there's a second berth here that will accommodate, say, small children or something like that, and then we'll actually push together to make a full-size, or a queen, it looks like, for some larger or adult guests. Transitioning over here, you'll see we've got a beautiful woodwork here. I mean, this is gorgeous. It cleans up really easy. I mean, you can see it's not even tracking my fingerprints really. And then stepping in, we've got a really nice head, and that's shared with the forward berth. We've got a nice little flat screen right here. So if you want to watch a DVD or just watch a little bit of morning news with your coffee, we can accommodate that way as well. And of course, this boat has satellite, so you can hook up if you've got sports that you want to watch while you're on the boat or do whatever. That is one of those things that we accommodate. Large closet space on this boat, so you can put all your clothes and stuff and keep them nice and neat. This is a hassock, or a ottoman that slides out. So you can have a place to sit and put your makeup on and do whatever, but it's not taking up that extra space. It's kind of a brilliant use of space here. It's like a seat that just retracts almost. And then it's attractive too. Stepping back upstairs, I just want to say thank you for joining us here at MarineMax. If you'd like to come by and take a look at this boat, see what it's about, maybe take it for a test drive, let us know. We'd love to help you. My name's Dave Coble. We're here at MarineMax Lake Ozarks. You can reach us at 573-365-5382 or join us here at MarineMax Lake Ozark at 3070 Bagnell Dam Boulevard, Lake Ozark, Missouri.